Dear students, in the last session, I had explained the number systems. In that, I had explained the decimal and binary number system and conversions between these two number systems. But in this session, I will explain the octal number system and conversions. That means conversion of octal to binary number system, binary to octal number systems, decimal to octal, octal to decimal number systems. Octal number system, you know, in this system, we have 8 symbols. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The base in octal system is 8. That means base base is a value that indicates on how many symbols are used in a particular numbering system. So the base in octal number system is 8. This gives the octal number and binary equivalent. This table gives the octal number and their binary equivalents. Observe that highest symbol 7, it consists of 3 ones to be represented. Hence, the octal number is represented as a group of 3 in binary. Next, conversion of octal to binary number system. Consider the octal number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's a base 8. 123, it's a base 8. The conversions of 1 to 3 are done by taking the number 1, 2, and 3 separately and converted into binary equivalent. Hence, 1, 2, 3 in octal will be 1, 2, 3. So, that means for 1, 0, 0, 1, for 2, 0, 1, 0, for 3, 0, 1, 1, that is in base 2, that's equals 1, 0, 1, 0, double 0, double 1. It is in base 2. Next, second one, consider the number 245.65. It is in base 8. This number is converted into an binary number system. First, we must take the integer part. The integer part 245 is taken and the binary equivalent of 2, 4 and 5 are written 2, 4, 5. The fraction part 65, 6.65 is taken with finding the binary equivalent 6 and 5 separately. 6 and 5 separately. And finally, written like this. So that's equals 1, 0, 1, double 0, 1, 0, 1, point, this one 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It is in base 2. Observe that by converting the number to binary, we usually make the binary as a group of 3 bits. Next, conversion of binary to octal number systems. Consider the binary number 110010. It is in base 2. This number is converted into an octal number system. That means we have to make the number of group of 3 starting from extreme right. Extreme right means like this. Hence, the number will be 110010. Now, convert the group of 3 bits into octal equivalent. That means 1110, it is in base 2, that equals 6, it is in base 8, and 010, it is in base 2, that is in 2. Hence 110010, that's equals to 62. 62, it is in base 8. Next, second one, consider the binary number. This one is given 11010101. It is in base 2. Here it is clear that when we make a group of 3, the last 2 bits, that means 1 1, will not be made as a group of 3 bits. That means see here, group of 3 bits. In that case, we write 0, in that case 0, to the extreme left and make it as a group of 3. Hence, the number will 011, 010, 101. It is in base 2. That is converted into an 325. It is in base 8 into octal system. Next, consider the decimal to octal systems. So, conversion of decimal to octal system. So, consider the decimal number 55.45. It is in base 10. That must be, this number is converted into an octal number system. So, repeatedly divided by the number 55 by 8 until the quotient is less than the 8. So, hence, the octal equivalent of the decimal number 55 is 6, 7. Next, you must take the fraction part. The fraction part is 0.45. Repeatedly multiplying the number 0.45 by 8 until the number is 0. If it does not end, an approximately value is taken. The conversion of integer decimal 55 is done, approximately is taken. Hence, the conversion of fraction decimal part 0.45, that means repeatedly multiplying by 0.45 by 8 until the number is 0. Hence, the octal equivalent of the decimal 0.45 equals 0.3463,146. Note that from here the process gets repeated. Next, conversion of octal to decimal number system. Consider an octal number 125.56. It is in base 8. That must be is converted into an that number is converted this number is converted into an decimal system. To convert number to its decimal equivalent, we proceed as follows. That means 1 into 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 5 into 8. So 0, 1, 2. That means 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. Point, there's a fraction 0.56 means 5 into 8 in 8 plus 6 into 8. So minus 1, minus 2. So therefore 64 plus 16 plus 5 plus 0.625 plus 0.09375, that's equals 81.71875. It is in base 10. Thank you.